As an educator, my biggest thing I have noticed is that everyone learns differently. So the biggest thing that I am going to implement, especially in instructional strategy, is going to be a multimedia project-based learning instruction. In this case, we are able to do projects together, go outside the box, and just have a comprehensive approach to our learning that will bring us together to create projects and that will incorporate what we have learned in the class thus far, and it will engage the students. They will be able to become creative. Hence our one of our four C's of the 21st century: collaboration. And then it will also be able to communicate with each other, and this allows us to see what works well when we communicate. Are we open-minded? Are we going to tear down all the ideas? What is going to work when we communicate with each other? And also, when we do communicate and find our ways, we become creative and our mind opens up to how we're going to express ourselves through our learning experiences. And then our other four C's is our critical thinking. So how are we going to dissect each step of our learning and the project-based learning atmosphere to come up with the end result? And also another strategy that is one of the biggest that we can incorporate is technology. Technology, like I've mentioned before, is always advancing, always changing. So we have to be up to par with the updates that are going on as of right now. And so with the use of the technology, we can expand beyond our horizons and go home and show our family, hey, this is what I learned in school, but yet we use this website or this application to implement the ideas outside of just writing on paper. And so that will enhance and help with our mindset growth, that will allow our students to just be in a positive mood and knowing that they learned something using to just expand their horizons in the class. And thus the educator will, like myself, will see that and just expand on what they are doing for future assignments and content that we go through. And so how am I going to motivate them? I'm just going to just let them know that I'm human. I'm going to help them along the way. They're going to become the teacher. I will be the teacher, and vice versa. And so just different, have them have goal settings. If we all have our goal settings, then we will have a end result in the end. Yet they are going to be different, but we will have that goal. And so when we have that goal set, we have something to aim for in our future. And so that allows us to learn more and more as we go along and implement stuff that they are interested in right now as kids. And so, and the importance of being a novelty is just being able to learn from their experiences and increase their engagement with school learning, outside sports, music, art, whatever interests them. I'm going to help them with engagement that allows them to continue their learning process. And so with all that working together, become a better future of the learning environment in the classroom.